everyone, welcome to my kitchen made with love. Wow, it's yummy and delicious samosa. If you enjoy our videos, like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thank you, Advait. Hello everyone. Let's get started. We'll see ingredients first. Take maida flour 2 cups and jeera 1 teaspoon and mustard seeds, red chili powder and coriander powder 1 teaspoon each, some curry leaves, 1 inch of ginger and 3 green chili crushed. Okay, now vegetables. Let's take green peas, finely chopped beetroot, tomato, onion, beans, carrot, cauliflower and corn, around 50 grams each. Also you need 2 big size potato. Boil the potato and crush it as shown. Let's prepare the dough. Add maida and jeera in a bowl. Add 6 teaspoons of hot oil. Mix well for 2 to 3 minutes, such that oil gets absorbed in flour. Yes, this helps to make samosa crispy. Keep it closed for 5 minutes. Now add salt as required. I am using 1/3 cup of water to knead 2 cups of flour. Knead gently just to combine the flour. Remember, the dough should not be soft. Keep the dough closed for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the stuffing. Preheat pan. Add 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Add chili and ginger. Toss for few seconds. Now add onion. Crush well the curry leaves and add pinch of salt, which helps onion cook faster. Once the onion turns glassy, add the beans, toss for a minute. Then add carrot, toss for a minute. And add beetroot, cauliflower. After tossing these vegetables for few minutes, add tomato, peas and corn. Yes, cooking time is different for different vegetables. So adding them in a sequence helps to retain the form of vegetable yet cooked. Add coriander powder, chili powder and salt as required. Mix well and cook with closed lid. Sprinkle water if required. Once vegetables cooked, add potato, mix well, and cook with closed lid again for 2 minutes. Yes, samosa stuffing is ready. Now, let's check the dough. Knead gently. Divide the dough into 3 portions. Take 1 portion. Roll it thin, evenly. Cut the dough as shown. Apply water on the edges. This helps to close the dough. Keep the stuffing and start closing the dough. Use fork to seal the edges. Repeat the same. Yes, we are ready to fry the samosas. Let's fry the samosa in low flame till it turns brown. This makes samosa crispy. It's ready now. Advait, do you like it?
Yes, it's yummy. Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video today, Uma's Kitchen video, and please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.